Hey guys, so usually I talk about my houseplants, but today I'm super stoked about one of my new garden tools. So I'm gonna share that with you. Maybe you can already see it back here. It's this metal hose, which I didn't know existed. I guess this is the type of hose we have in the bathroom, in the shower. But I've never seen it as a garden hose. So when I found it, it was actually the perfect time. Sorry, bugs galore. It was actually the perfect time because both of my other hoses broke. I had one of those, what do you call them? Flexi hoses, where it's like soft and it's flat, and when you fill it up with water, it expands and gets much bigger. That lasted for a little bit, but broke, and it's just squirting water out of a few places. And then I had a coiled garden hose, which I really liked. For some reason, I love coiled everything, like headphone wires, charging wires. Just give me a coiled something, I love it. But unfortunately, I didn't have the best way to store it, and I would stick like this bamboo shoot here and just kind of like put the coil on here. But every time I would pull it out, and if I tried to like stretch a little bit more to the max, what happened was that like where the coils were on the inside, it was breaking. So it had to go. It was breaking here next to the faucet, next to the spigot, and it was breaking on the other side next to the sprayer. So I had to get a new hose, and I was shopping online, and thank goodness for the internet, because I would have never figured this out or never found this on my own, because I was just looking for another flexible hose that was probably gonna break. But so what I want to say is, guys, like, hopefully this is the one. But I got two because it was just the better price to buy two, so I can have 100 feet instead of buying the 100-foot one, which was $20 extra. So I bought two of these. I already have the one installed, and I've been using it, but I want to make it longer so I can reach my vegetables, and we'll go there in a little bit. I wanted to show you guys how it comes. It's wound up on this cool little spool, and actually, here, let me open it. Hercules. I think this is really cool because it just unwinds so easily, but I don't think it's a good storage for like everyday use, but maybe if you live in a place where you put your hose away in the winter, it's worth keeping this little orange spool. So anyways, let's go to the vegetables.
It's green too.
Huh?
It's green.
Is that, what did I say?
You said orange.
Oh. Okay, let's unwind this.
That's for a later project.
Oh, I didn't take the sprayer. So guys, these are my veggies. The only veggies that I can grow here. I know I'm a little bit lacking in this outdoor garden, but as I've mentioned in my other videos, I do live in the forest, so it makes it kind of hard to grow anything outside. So I've resorted to containers and these type of things. That it's awesome. You can see that it doesn't really kink. There was some weird reviews, people saying that the metal was coming apart and you could see the material underneath. Can you see it? But that's not happening to this hose, so maybe it was a different brand, because I did see a few different brands. metal hoses, but so far so good. I mean, I've used the other one for a few days now, and I just connected the second one so I can, you know, come all the way over here. But yeah, I mean, I'll get back to you again to, you know, tell you at the end of the summer if this thing is still in one piece, or, you know, if it's just another one of those like awesome products that's like not that awesome. But anyways, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and see you soon. Ciao.